Hi guys, it's MatttheCatt, and today we're learning about China, and for that we are going to do cultural cooking and cook some gluten-free dumplings. And we also have a book about fun facts. Chopsticks were developed 5,000 years ago and it was used for cooking, not eating. And this is fun facts, the pan were actually called woks. So my name is Matthew, I think you guys know that, but this is how you see my name, and this is how you pronounce my name. Hi, my name is Matoy. Now we're just gonna toss in all the ingredients for the filling. So we're gonna start off with some onions. So now we are mixing up all these ingredients, and if you're wondering what those ingredients are, it's all-purpose flour, gluten-free, tapioca flour, white rice flour, and xanthan gum. We're using all that stuff with some water to make a dough. Put my dirty hands. Oh my gosh, these feel like marshmallows and they look like marshmallows. After 1 hour, we have made a lot of dumplings, and we're gonna just try one of them. Cheers! That is so good. Yum.